Hi, I'm Lori with Hubert. Today I'm here to show you how to change out the replacement spigot for our Hubert brand beverage dispensers. This is the replacement spigot that comes just in a little plastic poly bag. There are two separate little pieces. This plastic kind of washer looking piece is gonna go on the inside here. And then I'm gonna use this dispenser as an example, so it's very easy. The only thing that you have to do is turn the bolt. You may need to use a wrench to unscrew the faucet. You'll see that little piece fall out. And then we're just gonna take the new one with the little plastic piece in and screw it on the way we took off the old one. As you can see how easy it is to change out the replacement faucet assemblies for our Hubert brand beverage dispensers. If you do have additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you for watching. Until next time.